Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 29th, 2024, and we are going up with IWM. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, 555, slingshot. Here's the first retrace in the run. So we impulsed up, climbed over the moving averages. We're coming down, corrective, and I expect another impulse back up once it bounces off the 21. Now, if it's going to fail, it's going to fail somewhere around the 224.75, 225 area. So as we approach those areas, we will dictate our management plan at that point. Now that the price is above the 21 MA on the 1 minute chart, we're going to go to a free trade and manage from here. As you can see that this price is moving up with speed and violence, I believe it's going to be short-lived, so we're going to see how it reacts off the 225 area. If it gets close enough to our $1 target, we'll just punch out. So let's see what happens.
Order fill.
And there's about a 95-cent run today on IWM, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 29th, 2024, and we're going up with IWM. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot to the upside. Here's our first retrace, impulse, correct. We expect an impulse here soon.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. I expect us to go farther. I want to see how it reacts off the 225.25 area. So we're going to play it bar by bar moving forward and see what happens. As you can see, the price is coming back to Friday's high. Friday's high was 225.39. So let's see how it reacts off that area. If it accelerates past it, there might be still strength to the upside, and we'll manage from there. If it starts to be sluggish and slow down around that area, we might just pull our profits because that might be an area where the market reverses to the downside. I'm not seeing much follow through at this point. So here in a few seconds, if it doesn't lunge past the 225.50 area, we're just going to close out and take our profits.
Order fill.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there's little to no follow through, so we decided to pull our profits. I don't think that there's much juice left in the tank. So on our first trade, we were able to captivate a 95-cent move. The second trade that we just got out of, that produced about $1.25. So within 30 minutes of working in the market today, we had about a $2.20 run. Now, depending on how this market does, we might actually go down with it. So we're going to watch this for a little bit and see if we might take one more trade before 10.15, 10.20 and call it a day. I believe this market's about to drop, so we're about to get in here in a second. Hold on.
Order fill.
All right, so we're going down with IWM. I believe this price is going to drop at this point. So give me a second. I'll clear up my charts and we'll go over what I saw and why we took this trade. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H. We're going to see if we get about a 75 cents to $1 drop out of this. At this point, this will be our last trade of the day. We'd like to close out before 10:20. So we're going to see how this develops, and we'll go bar by bar from there. And here's our first retrace. Impulse, correct, and expecting an impulse down to about $1. If this price continues to drop with speed and violence, I expect the price to come down to the 200 moving average on our 1 minute chart, and then from there we're right around the low of the day. And at that point, if we get all the way down to there, we'll see how it reacts, and if it doesn't fall through past that, we'll just pull our profits because we're going to hit our time period target then.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's our $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and I expect one last retrace before we get down to roughly around the 200 moving average and the box that I just drew on my 1 minute chart. So again, we're going to play it bar by bar and see how things develop.
Order fill.
And there's another $1.25 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. So grand total for 3 trades, $3.45, all done before 10:20 Eastern Standard Time. And as always, never forget, be a pro.